welcome back to another Bitcoin update. We've had quite a few days of crashing and it's kind of held this trend line relatively well. So we're in a good spot for a bounce. And don't confuse me for being bullish. I still think we're bearish. We are in a downtrend. When you're in downtrends, price can still go up. If you look at this channel here, we're riding this trend line here. So it's a good, there's a decent possibility that we could come up to this level 96, 97 level before coming back down again. The charts are showing that. Now me personally, I'm going to sit this one out. It's too risky. We have got lower to fall, I believe, and I hope I'm wrong. I hope the markets do recover and we start mooning again, but I think it's just going to take some time. So if we look at the stablecoin dominance, I've been tracking this for a while. This is broken out of this, and when that happens, actually, let me switch this to the regular chart. Yeah, like it's already broken out. Like my hope was that we'd have, when the price is around about here, that we'd have one last run. It didn't work out, so it's going to do something like this. So we might have one last mini run for now, but I can't see us breaking this trend line, going above this 99k mark. And alts, what does that mean for alts? ETH it's not in a good way, but it has fallen quite a bit. And yeah, is it going to hit this? It really does depend on Bitcoin. I mean, my short-term outlook is probably some kind of bounce. And even with ETH, let me delete that now. We could come back up to this trend line, this 3.5k mark before coming down. So yeah, be prepared for maybe some kind of short-term bounce. But yeah, it's not, the bull market's not back on, not in my opinion. I personally, if you want to know my strategy, and I'll make a video on this, let me go back onto Bitcoin. So this is my indicator here. Sell, buy, sell, buy. I know it's been a bit messy over here and it doesn't work as well when it's ranging, but when you have big moves like this, it does work really well. So you would have bought here around about 60k, and then you would have sold here about 100k, and buy back in about 90k, sell about 120k. And I've been teaching this strategy for years, and a lot of people I know have made a lot of money with it, and it does work. So I personally, I'm just gonna be patient and wait for the next buy signal, and when that happens, that's when I'll be buying back in.